Welcome to another demonstration of the SysRev platform. Today I will be demonstrating how to use the shared labels and cloning features to standardize your data extraction across projects. As any SysRev user knows, having the proper labels is of paramount importance to any project, and getting them perfect can take a fair bit of time. For these reasons, we wanted to make it as easy as possible to copy labels from project to project. Shown here is our public project for the Robin's Eye assessment tool. The project consists of a single group label that contains fields for the 7 risk of bias domains, as well as outcome, result, and an overall judgment of bias. While creating a group label of 10 basic labels is a relatively simple task, one would not want to repeat it more than necessary. Shared labels allow labels of any complexity to be effectively copied and pasted across projects. Simply click on the Share button, copy the code, and in your new project, go to your label definitions page and click Import Label. Copy the code, and voila, the group label has been imported. A quick note, imported shared labels are attached to their source label. This means that if the original label is affected, the shared label will also be affected. This is useful for applications where categories may grow in the number of options over time, say lists of prescribed interventions or adverse events. If you do not wish for your labels to update, simply click Detach Label for each label. Once detached, the label is now an independent, fully editable label. A quick note, you can only import group labels if you are a SysRev Pro user. That said, any SysRev user can export and import basic labels from any public project. There are some times when even exporting and importing a label is too inefficient. This is extremely true for projects with multiple basic or group labels. Shown here is our project for the same Robin's Eye tool, but instead of one group label, it contains 8 categorical labels. While I could export and import each label, it is much quicker to simply clone the project. As a friendly reminder, any user can clone any public project or any private project of which they are a member. To clone a project, simply click Clone, choose the account or organization you wish to clone it to, and SysRev automatically creates a new project with all of the same label definitions and articles, but none of the answers. To review your own articles, simply go to the Add Manage Articles page, delete my PubMed search, and import your own articles. A quick note, cloning a project effectively uses the shared labels functionality for each label. All that to say, if you want to detach the labels, you will need to do so independently for each label. If you have any ideas on how to improve shared labels, cloning, or would like to see a specific tutorial in the future, please email us at info@insilica.co. Until next time.